Welcome to Auxwall Gym Management application. In this lesson, we will learn how to add courses in Auxwall application. To receive each subscription report individually, first, we need to create a ledger account in the Revenue section from the Chart of Accounts. Go to Accounts. Then click on Chart of Accounts. Expand the appropriate accounts group and create a new ledger account. Press Add button and choose Sub-Item. Make sure we are creating Ledger under Revenue Ledger. Enter the ledger name and press Save button. Next, go to Club from the dashboard. There are two tabs named Subscriptions and Courses. Subscriptions are the main group, such as gym membership, kickboxing, and personal training. Courses are the sub-items of subscriptions, like a 1-month membership or a 2-month membership under gym membership. To add a new subscription, click on the Subscription tab. In this window, you will see the current subscription names and the linked account ledger names. You can export this data into PDF or Excel by clicking on the Export button. To create a new subscription, click on the Create New button. A pop-up window will appear to add the subscription details. Select the account ledger. In this case, I am selecting the one we recently created. Then, enter the subscription name. If the subscription requires biometric entry access, check the Allow Entry Access option. For personal training, entry access is usually not required. However, for subscriptions like gym membership or kickboxing, entry access should be allowed. To track personal training, check the Track Personal Training option. When a customer selects this course, you'll be able to track their personal training attendance through both the member's mobile app and the Auxwall desktop application. Each attendance user or member should mark via Member Mobile or Desktop application will update the personal training records, including trainer commission details. Once you're done, hit the Save button. To update an existing subscription, double-click on the subscription from the list and change the necessary fields. You can also see who created the course and when it was created. If you need to delete a subscription, click on the Delete icon in the top right corner. Now, let's move to Step 2, Managing Courses. Click on the Course tab. Here, you'll see all the courses listed. You can also export the list into PDF or Excel. To add a new course, press the Create New button. In this window, enter the course name, for example, 1-month swimming lesson. Next, choose the subscription type from the list of previously created subscriptions. In this case, we'll select Swimming. Enter the course duration. For a 1-month swimming course, input 30 for 30 days of membership. If the course includes sessions, enter the session count. Else ignore this field. In the Price section, you can enter the course fee as either including or excluding tax. If the tax is excluded, for example, a course fee of $300 would show as 300 plus 15 VAT for a total of $315. If the fee includes tax, select Include and choose the applicable tax. The VAT exclusive amount will be displayed at the bottom. Once you've entered the necessary information, press Save. For long-term membership options, such as a 30-day course where the member can attend the gym 30 times over a 1-year period, tick the Long-Term Validity option and enter the total validity duration. Our system will automatically track each attendance, and once the member has attended 30 times, the membership will expire on the date of the 30th visit. In most cases, long-term membership is not required, but this option is available for flexibility. Now you can choose the courses we created while registering or renew a membership. Thank you for watching.